Hello, I'm Lauren Hayes and this is Kalkine's Daily Trending News. Electric vehicle manufacturer Rivian has unveiled not one but two new electric cars. The smaller, less expensive electric R2 SUV and R3 crossovers are part of the company's new strategy to help save more than $2 billion US. Amid slowing EV demand driven by higher interest rates, the Californian-based startup is hoping to secure its future after laying off 100 workers last month. Investors reacted positively to the news, with the Nasdaq-listed stock surging almost 13.5% on Thursday, closing at $12.51. The R2's starting price tag of just $45,000 US is well below the company's flagship R1 SUVs and pickups, and makes it a more competitive offer to customers still unwilling to switch over from their cheaper gasoline-powered cars. The company plans to start producing the R2 at its existing US factory in Illinois to speed up deliveries to the first half of 2026. The model will be a two-row compact SUV seating 5 people with over 480 kilometres of range, and will be able to reach 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. The EV maker is still planning to expand production as part of its long-term strategy and build a Georgia plant after raising more than $3 billion US with 2 bond issuances last year. The company has just over $9 billion US in cash, but despite this, some analysts and investors believe Rivian will need additional capital by 2026. Rivian produced over 57,000 vehicles last year and said growth this year would be flat as it tackles slowing demand and production downtime to cut costs and improve margins. That's the latest from Kalkine's Daily Trending News. I'm Lauren Hayes.